Discover the traditional Brazilian dish, Couve Mineira, a simple yet flavorful side dish that's a staple in Brazilian cuisine, especially in the state of Minas Gerais. This recipe guides you through the process of making Couve Mineira, starting with the selection of fresh collard greens. These greens are a key ingredient and should be vibrant and firm to the touch. Begin by washing the collard greens thoroughly to remove any dirt. Then, stack the leaves, roll them tightly, and slice them into fine strips. A technique known as chiffonade, which enhances the texture and appearance of the dish. The magic happens in the sauté pan. Heat a generous amount of olive oil and add minced garlic, sautéing until it's golden and fragrant. This is where the dish begins to come alive with aroma. Add the collard greens to the pan, tossing them quickly, to ensure they're evenly coated with the garlic-infused oil. The key is to saute them just enough to soften slightly, while retaining their vibrant green color and crisp texture. Season with salt to taste, and for a touch of heat, a sprinkle of red pepper flakes can be added. This dish is traditionally served alongside feijoada, Brazil's national dish, but it can also complement a variety of other meals, adding a burst of color and nutrition. Couve Mineira is not just a side dish, it's a celebration of Brazilian culinary traditions, bringing the flavors of Minas Gerais to your table. It's a testament to the power of simple ingredients, transformed through technique, can fashion into a dish that's both healthy and delicious.